If you're working in a journal or a junk journal and you're tired of spending time going through your ephemera book, or you're scrapping, looking for die cuts and pieces that you know you want to use in it, then it's time that you create an ephemera holder exclusively for those die cuts and ephemera pieces that you can tuck inside of your journal. And that is what we're going to do today. Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. And I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. All right, so my thoughts were to use this blank planner page, which is actually the monthly part of the Happy Planner, which I never use. I very rarely use that. I'm going to use this as the base for the pockets that I'll adhere it to, which will go in the inside once I put the window pocket flaps in. All right, and so what I'm going to do is I'll take that, cut that down, use some of the bits and pieces and scraps left over from the kits, the Summer in the City kits, to create some diagonal pockets. I don't anticipate it taking long, but we all know how this can go. You know, you get started, you get another idea, and off we go. So I'm going to pull out some additional papers, and then I'll put the rest to music so you guys can craft along with me. Now, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy making journals, and maybe you don't have a lot of supplies, or your budget does not allow for all the spending, I'm just showing you ways to use what you have on hand to create things that you can use. All right, and so if that's something you think you might enjoy, go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of the additional content that I put up that's along the lines of this. All right, so let me gather my supplies and I'll be back. You guys do the same. Okay, so as you saw in the last segment of the video, I went ahead and put some stitching around the edge, stamped out the word moments on this piece of candy, which will be used as more or less a tab on here. And so these are the larger pockets for large pieces of ephemera, okay? And then on the opposite side are narrower or shallower pockets where I can put, you know, smaller pieces of ephemera, tuck little pieces of ephemera in there, you know, like such. And this again will be housed in the, you know, these obviously have to be secured, but the ideal is that these will have, I will put magnets on the back of here. There will be magnets in here, I should say. And this will be housed actually the opposite way, like so. And then tags will be placed in here. And then we'll have a nice little place for this ephemera holder. Now you'll see the finished results in the upcoming flip through and giveaway video. So stay tuned for that. There may be one more video in between. I'm not certain. I can't remember what else needs to go in here. But in the meantime, if you are still here and you're not currently a subscriber, now's a great time to hit that button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any of the crafty uploads, in addition to the giveaway for this in the month of August. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for coming back, for sharing your feedback, your input, and for sharing my videos out in your creative spaces. Now, until we're back here together on Patreon and YouTube, again, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.